In Onshape, you can designate annotations as inspection items and then generate an inspection report. This is very convenient because in other CAD packages, you might need a third-party add-in to do that. So let me start off by clicking on this icon, which allows me to generate an inspection item. So then I will start selecting different entities. Let me zoom into this view. And I say that, okay, this overall height dimension I want to use. Then I've got some different dimensions for locating these different holes. So I will collect those. And then let me zoom into the view. So I've got this geometric tolerance that I want to use. And then I've got another one down here. So I'll let it highlight and then left click. Then I'll move over here and I've got a dimension or maybe one of these two different annotations or these GD&T tolerances. So I will select that one. And one last one here, I've got a material callout, so I can select that one as well. And so then I am finished. I can hit the check mark. By the way, in this inspection item dialog box, you can control the text height, also the symbol that you want to use for it, and also you can specify how big that circle can be or whatever kind of entity that you use. The default is 2 characters. So this is good. Let me hit the check mark. And so we've got our different inspection items shown on the drawing. If you don't want to see them, you've got an icon where you can hide them and then toggle their display back on. And if you want to generate the inspection report, all you need to do is export it. I will go to the tab down at the bottom of the screen. Let me right click on it. Here is the export command, and it opens up a dialog box. Here from the drop-down list, you could choose if you wanted to generate a PDF or DWG, some of the other different kinds of entities. And here is the inspection list. For the options, you could download. You could download and store the file in a new tab, or just store the file in a new tab. I'm going to download it. Then let's choose the export button. We have a warning that it is preparing. Then we'll get a notification with the status. And so here we can see that it has been downloaded. Let me pull that open. The inspection report generated a CSV file. I have imported that into Excel and done a little bit of formatting. And so here you can see that we have our inspection item numbers, sheet number information, the type of annotation, the unit where applicable, the nominal value, and also our tolerance information. So I can use this to generate the inspections that I need to do on first articles or any other different parts. So there you have it. That's how you can generate inspection items and inspection reports in Onshape.